Ah, this was a customer that has inspired me on this level. Um, on Front Avenue. Again, it's nothing compared, nothing whatsoever. There's nothing not whatsoever like it. It's just that it was extremely difficult. And did I not make this one difficult? I thought I did. We're all like the first time we did this, there was trucks everywhere we had to get around. Let's see why this one is harder. All right, let's go wider. Remember now that we have to slow down in a minute because I have it on fast forward. Oh no, I'm not going to make this corner, am I? Oh, just scrape by. All right, let's slow down. Turn this guy off. And let's see what we got to do. All right, so we got to get in this. Can't get too close yet. Now we can get close. All right, let's zoom in. Turn to the right. There we go. Okay, hard left, hard left, hard left, hard left. Stop. We still need to go hard left. Hard left, hard left, hard left, hard left. As much as we can. As much as we possibly can before we hit that trailer. Oh boy, whatever. Okay, that's fine. Okay, hard jackknife, full chase. Yes, keep chasing, keep chasing, keep chasing. And back again. Oops. Now I remember why it's so hard. Because that part I just did. Yeah, I talk so much less when I concentrate. All right, we're in. That's how you do that one.